In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Firefox app. So if you've been receiving a lot of notifications or pop-up messages from Firefox browser, the best thing to do is to go ahead and put an end to this once and for all. Should you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page for you to be able to apply these settings. For this, you need to go to settings, and then from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. You'll get to this page called apps, and under it you can see we have various settings that you can apply. Under this, choose this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial I'm using a Redmi smartphone, however this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from this, go ahead and scroll down until you find your app. As you can see, my app is here, and therefore go ahead and tap on it, and I'm on the app information page. Now at this point we shall do our troubleshooting here. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you or you can't find it, let me show you a shortcut method to find Firefox app information page. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you find it, just long press on it and you'll see we have this option called app info. By tapping on it, you'll get to the same app info page. Now from here we want to go ahead and turn off pop-up notifications. To do that, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions scroll down until you find notifications. Currently you can see they are turned to yes. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see all this type of notifications are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications on your Firefox browser. To turn them off, instead of tapping on one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. At this point, you'll never again receive pop-up notifications from Firefox browser. So if you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.